again. I tried to do this video before, but it came out as a problem, and I'm gonna show you what it's like at the top as Sky High. And you can get these presents, but they're like non-member, but you can get them for free. And if I don't really like my presents that I get, I usually keep it and delete it so I can get extra coins. That's a little tip to do if you get to the top and you don't like your present. So I'm just gonna get through this with not a lot of talking. So let's go. Woo! Maybe just a little bit of sound effects to make it fun. Woo! Wah! Ga ga go! Ooh, ga ga! Ooh goo! Ooh goo! Ooh goo! Ooh goo! Ooh goo! Ooh goo! Just so you know, I promise I will not fall on this. I'm pretty bad at this, but a lot of times get up. So I'm gonna go fast. I mean, really fast. Okay, I hope you guys can hear me because this thing's going quiet. I really hope you guys can hear me. Ah, spiders! I don't even know. I know they're phantoms, but I'm just saying spiders. Because for somebody that does not know it. Okay, I'm not even almost there, but I'll show you. And you have to collect the coins. If this is your first time, this is the thing to use. This is the thing to help. Hey, I'm doing a video here! And the microphone's on! So be quiet, because I don't want people to hear what you're talking about. Good, sorry. I was trying to get my mom to stay quiet, and now they're even louder. Just so you know, there's this another website that I use for games. It's not as good. It's called Club Penguin. It's horrible. You can't even choose what animal you are. And your designs. Yeah. Now, my dad just closed my door. I hope you heard that. Now, oh, we're almost there. We're at the like hot air balloon. I hope we're almost there because I want to get this all the way. And you dance at the top and there's a treasure chest. The first time I got past, I got a knight's helmet. Usually I get like bat glasses, but sometimes I get some good stuff. Yeah, I really do. Once I got a top hat, a knight's helmet, mesh angel wings. I mean it. Yes. Sorry, I should to myself, but I hope you didn't hear that. I mean, I really hope you didn't hear that. And I'm almost there. I'm at the moon, so I'm almost in space. Actually, I'm kind of in space already. But I'm almost there. You know, the more coins you get, the better the stuff you get. I believe. But it might not be true. Hope I got something good and not just bat glasses. We're almost done. I mean, we're right almost done. We're right there. Do a mistake, yay! No, but don't do a mistake right when I'm almost there. Really hope. So this is what it's like in space. Oh, we're right almost there at the rocket ship. And one more. One more. Oh, here is the treasure chest. You jump on it and then ta-da! Ta-da! Ref necklace, I'll keep it. You see, you can get some stuff. Okay. So, bye. That's all. But first, I'm gonna delete it. See how much I get for it. Oh, rats. I just want to delete it to show you guys. 45 coins. Plus 45, that's good. So, bye.